Hi, my name is Sandra and I'm part of the global community team. I'm going to take you to a sneak preview of all the activities we have here at DAE. Let's get started. Our international community gives the campus a great vibe of different cultures and backgrounds. The global community team, together with the students, organize several weekly activities. For sports, our students organize energy boost workouts and Zumba. For activities to study together, we have our weekly study nights, where every Thursday evening the campus stays open late. Before and after holidays, we organize special study nights together with our study night team of students, such as Nerf Gun and Sword Fight, a global taste affair, Christmas and Easter themed events, karaoke, and much more. We invite international companies to give presentations to DAE students and inspire us with their passion and expertise during workshops and guest lectures. Each year in October, we have our annual Internship Fair, when our senior students set out in search of an internship company. We organize a big fair on campus with over 60 game and VFX companies from different countries. 1 week in the spring semester, there are no regular classes in order to make room for fun and creative workshops during Creativity Week, including talks, game and VFX jams, fun evening activities, and more. Among the highlights at DAE are our international study visits to US, Canada, Japan, or UK, giving the students a chance to visit world-famous companies, have a look behind the scenes, get first-hand invaluable advice from industry professionals, and possibly secure an internship or job offer. That's all from me. For more information, check out our online Infoday at our website digitalartsанdentertainment.be. For any further questions, visit our FAQ page, and our team will be also available for an online chat. Enjoy and welcome to our global community.